How to install Ansible in RedHat Enterprise Linux version 9 beta? Today we are going to talk about the easier way to install and maintain up-to-date Ansible inside RHEL 9 with the distribution tools. I'm Luca Burton and welcome in today's episode of Ansible Pilot. Today we are talking about how to install Ansible in RHEL 9 beta. The good news is that the Ansible Core package, Ansible-Core, is included out of the box in the RHEL 9 AppStream repository. So no more additional repository such as Ansible Engine or EPEL like previous version for basic automation. However, for additional support for the underlying platform and core maintenance module is required the Ansible Automation Platform subscription. Demo time. Are you ready to make your hands dirty? Let's jump in a quick live demo about how to install the latest version of Ansible Core in RHEL 9 beta. Wait a minute, you probably would like more information about Ansible Core package and RHEL 9, so go directly to RedHat customer portal and follow this link where you could find out how to install Ansible in RHEL 9 and what are the supportability maintained directly by RedHat. As you can see, there are more information in this page and also the command line to run in order to install Ansible Core. And now let's jump directly to my terminal. And welcome to my terminal. So first of all, let me connect to my machine via SSH. DevOps is my username, the one that I choose during the installation, at rhel9.example.com is my hostname. As you can see, it's a fresh new machine, so let me become root with sudo su and printed out some information. First of all, let me cut /etc RedHat release. As you can see, is 9.0 beta version. More information you can find out in /etc OS release that has more or less the same stuff. Hostname control is going to print it out, also the kernel version 5.14, and what else? Same information in uname -a. So finally we've finished the inventory and we are ready for search for Ansible using DNF package manager. As you can see, the available package is Ansible-Core and few other that we are not interested. We can have more information with DNF info Ansible-Core. As you can see, the package is available, so not installed yet, from the repository of RHEL 9 AppStream beta. So wonderful. The only things that we need to do is DNF install Ansible-Core. This is a very fresh machine, so it requires a lot of packages, 79, for a total of 100 megabytes of disk space. So, but DNF is taking care of all the required download. Let me confirm the import of GPG key. These keys are important for guarantee that the package are genuine, the one that are released by RedHat. As you can see, in a blink of an eye, the software and all the dependencies were installed, so with Ansible -- version we can confirm that it's successfully installed, and you could notice Ansible Core 2.12.1 running on Python 3.9, so pretty updated. Good job, RedHat. DNF info Ansible-core, this time we report package successfully installed. So we are ready to have fun with our automation, and as you can see is available out of the box, so it's great. So we are ready to have fun with RHEL 9 beta and Ansible Core. Now you know how to install the latest version of Ansible in RedHat Enterprise Linux version 9 beta, or also known as RHEL 9. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, write me a comment, or keep in contact with me and see us on the next adventure of Ansible Pilot. Enjoy your automation day! Bye! This video is part of our Ansible automation program. Sign up today on www.ansiblepilot.com for uninterrupted exclusive video and so much fun.